Super stupid. I think you blew it. Damn, I'm really talking on the beat like Uncle Sam. Damn, Sam I am. I'ma go and get the ham, or the pork, or the chitlins, or the motherfucking millions. Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. We back in the studio, and today I actually got a review for y'all on the Jordan 4 Lightnings. Unfortunately, they're not even in my size, bro. These are a 5Y. I wasn't able to secure a men's pair. I know that these will be worth something in the future, so I do want to go ahead and talk about, should you guys go ahead and invest in this sneaker now? What prices you should buy in at? Should you even buy them? Should you hold them? Are these gonna go up in price? That's what this video is about. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. With all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we have to start with the packaging. Obviously, these are basically in this yellow Jordan 4 box. We know Jordan 4 boxes have the cement print across the bottom of it. These are size 5Y. Retail was $150. Let's go ahead, pop that open. There you have the Lightning 4s. Personally, I feel like this is a banger sneaker. I remember when these came out mad long ago. I was young, and I remember looking at all these releases and not being able to buy them. I know that this in like 6 to 7 months is gonna be worth literally the same price that adult sizes are worth. It's just not at that point right now. So I know that it's also a smart investment if I do decide to keep these and just buy my size. But there's so many Jordan 4s that I would rather have in my personal collection more than this. I really do love the military blue 4s. That's like my dream sneaker. I've personally had the military blues twice in my life. They don't even fit me both times. So I need to go ahead and re-up on those, but that's not the topic of discussion. Today we're talking about these Lightnings right here. So along the outsole of this sneaker, you have this dark blue gray, you have white right here, and then you obviously have this lightning color, which is Tor yellow. You obviously have the black netting, black eyelets. You have that same blue gray on the tongue and on the inner liner of the sneaker. Dark gray hits on the back, and you also have the white along the outsole. Bottom of these is basically that dark blue gray and the yellow Jumpman on the bottom as well. GS sizing, so it does have less holes on the eyelets. Certain things are different as well on this pair from the actual men's pair, but I feel like honestly I would trade these and add money on top just to get my size. If you're in the long-term hold, this is a big W because it's gonna go up to 300, 350 after time goes on. All these GS sizes are the smartest investment because you put less money in and you have more possibility for profit. With adult sizing, they're normally 200 to 220, and with these they're 150, bro. And if they're gonna go ahead and sell at the same price that adult sizes are selling for, it's smarter to invest in this because you have a $70 profit that you lose just by buying the men's sizing. So I feel like that's a genius investment in my opinion. $70 more profit in the long run definitely sounds better. At the end of the day, I definitely recommend this as a whole. Low key, if I had these in my size with this tee right here, it would go so hard. The gray with the vintage tee and then the yellow on the Tupac. Come on, bro, this would slap. I'm trying to tell y'all, I definitely do need these in the collection. Honestly, I slept on the university blues because I have these right here, but this yellow is so hard. Come on, it's literally the same shoe in yellow, and I feel like both of them go so hard. Travis Scott knew what he was doing with these by using the predominantly one color Jordan. I love what he did with these, and honestly, this is really similar to this. If you look at it in general, literally the black is gray, the blue is yellow. Same shit. I'm never gonna sell the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. I got these for like $360, $380 from Grailed. For the longest time, I thought these shits was fake, and I legit checked them. They're actually authentic. So hey, bruh, I was so happy to find out that these shits were authentic because I bought these when I didn't even have that many shoes, and this low-key gives me that same type of vibe. So I'm gonna need to go ahead and get these. My size is actually actually going for $276 to $284 lowest ask. I feel like once payout hits, it's gonna be what, like $235, which is kind of retail. Honestly, I feel like now is the best time to go ahead and go for these. If you're trying to add them to your collection, buy them now, because what I have noticed with fours is once they drop, people low-key like dwindle down on them, but as weeks and months pass, they start to pick right back up. Like the fire reds were going for $260, $250 when they first released. Now they're going for $350, $360. So honestly, even GS sizes are going for $300 plus after time goes on. These are going for $180 right now. I can guarantee you as time goes on, these are going to be worth $3 plus, just like the adult sizes. Looking at the Oreos, they're already at $294. Those didn't even come out that long ago. It was literally July 3rd. So in a couple months, these are going to be at like $300 as well. Great colorway. Honestly, really clean sneaker. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, buy in now before it's too late. Jordan 1s and Jordan 4s are the hottest silhouettes for Jordan brand right now. I feel like 6s are low-key coming in. 3s are low-key coming in. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys have to say about the Lightning Jordan 4s. I don't know if I should keep these and just see what prices do in the long run. If you love sneakers, you love the Lightning Jordan 4. Like, come on, bro. Iconic shoe. I remember a lot of famous rappers wearing this sneaker right here, and just seeing the pictures of this honestly back in the day. So the fact that they brought this back out is honestly iconic, and I feel like I do need these. I love the fact that they've been using suede back here, so this shit doesn't fucking hurt your whole leg. Definitely solid. I'm excited to see some fits with these. Personally, I'm gonna go ahead and get these. I need a couple Jordan 4s in my collection. I need these, the military blues. I already got those. I got the breads. I need a new pair of white cements. I need the off-white 4s. Low-key, I'm gonna make a video asking y'all what shoes I should flip to get the off-white 4s, and we're gonna make that a whole vibe. Like, trust me, I'm gonna figure that shit out. I am probably gonna do an Instagram series on what sneakers to flip, what to keep in the collection, trying to get enough money for these off-white 4s. So follow me on Instagram, astro.nori. But at the end of the day, Lightning 4s, go crazy. Let me know in the comments if you guys took W's or L's on the Lightning 4s. I don't know if there's gonna be any restocks for these. If you guys know any information, let me know in the comments. I'm actually partnering with the homies over at Kitchen. They are a cook group, which I'm super excited to be partnering up with. I'm gonna be talking to you guys shortly about that. Low-key, I hit on these because of them. So major shout out to Kitchen Cook Group. Ever since I started fucking with them, I've been hitting, I literally hit on 4 sneakers W's. So hey, I'm gonna go ahead and, so with all that being said, I feel like this is a good sneaker to hold. The prices are really good right now, and as time goes on, these are gonna be worth something. This GS size is going for like $180, and as time goes on, it's literally gonna go for like $290, $300. Same shit with the men's sizing. Those are going for around $280, $270, and as time goes on, those are gonna be $350, $400 for sure. With all that being said though, let me know in the comments if you guys took W's or L's on this sneaker, and hey, let me know what was your most recent W that you cooked up, whether it's sneakers app, confirmed app, anything. Let me know what was the last cook up you had. And with all that being said, make sure you guys go ahead and show some love on this video. Leave a like on it, subscribe, click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Super stupid. I think you blew it. Damn, I'm really talking on the beat like Uncle Sam. Damn, Sam I am. I'ma go and get the ham, or the pork, or the chitlins, or the motherfucking millions.